My dear students, I am going to explain you that in a right angle triangle, a circle is inscribed inside the triangle. Inscribed means the circle is touching all the three sides of the triangle. Okay? Then in that case, you will find that double of radius is equals to the length of perpendicular plus length of base minus length of hypotenuse. Suppose ACB is a triangle in which angle C is 90 degree. In that case, you find and you know that the side opposite to an angle is written with small letters. So here angle C is 90 degree. So the hypotenuse become AB. So AB will be denoted as a small c. In the same way, AC will be denoted as a small b and BC will be denoted as a small a, because in every triangle you will find the side opposite to the vertical angle is denoted by small letters of the vertical angle. So here in this case, ACB is the triangle, angle C is the 90 degree, then here it has the radius and the double of radius, that is 2 into r, is equals to small a plus small b minus small c, where you find small a is the length of the perpendicular, small b is the length of the base, and small c is the length of the hypotenuse. So you have always to keep in mind that in a right angle triangle, in a right angle triangle, if a circle is inscribed, then double the radius is equals to length of the base plus length of the perpendicular minus length of the hypotenuse. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.